Hello everyone, this is Jim from the Art of Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on week closer video, 25 of February. On this video, we will cover some news. Everybody knows that Russia and Ukraine conflict is still going on. Just fresh news is the personal spending and personal income of US. Just 1 hour ago, it has been released, and personal spending has risen 2.1%. That means people are spending and then this creating inflation. That's bad for indexes, and also for dollar index is will just get more evaluation from these news, because the expectation of Fed rate hike will just keep dollar index high on March. That's the important thing. All right, the first chart, dollar index is, as you can see here, it has tested last night really high levels, and from there almost again 97 level, and then from there it just went down, and right now as you can see here it's just consolidating, but we are just above 96 level. It just broken this level, so right now we are on, it has just spent a lot of time on here. Right now we are above on that one. As I said, the expectation of Fed rate hike on short term in with this spending, we will just see some decline, then we will just go up. The main reason, as I said, an expectation of rate hike to curb the inflation. Personal spending means demand on the goods will just goes on. Supply shortages is still going on. That means people will just the sellers will just raise the prices to cover that demand and benefit from that one. All right, let's look at the gold chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, gold price is slightly rising from the low levels last night. As you can see here, it just tested, and something really strange happened. Let me just show you. With the start of the, it was trading around here. With the start of the attacks by Russia, it just climbed to this level, 1970 levels. From that level, it has started to be sold and just reached really extremely low. I'm saying extremely low because okay, even before the war, before the invasion, it didn't test these levels. And from here, this morning, European investor just said, all right, it's a good buy point. They have just bought and it just rising. Then on afternoon, it just declined again. Now it's still on buy point, and some people are just selling the indices and then just buying the golds. So how much it can go? And first test will be 1900 first, then if it can manage to stay above, the second will be 1915 level. Just a similar one like this can happen on here, and also a V formation is possible if the war thing just gets more casualties or something like this happen. And right now there are reports that Russian military forces just surrounded the Kiev, and some people say like it's not true, some people say it's true, but we don't know like if that happens. That's the main ambition of Russia, and if that happens, and then if we just see like a more chaotic situation, then it will be just like that, and then a V shape in this one possible in gold prices. Let's look at oil prices. All right, just look at it. Gold and oil, same pattern is happening on here. People are just behaving so similar on gold and silver. It's just rising, tested 100 level, and just has been sold in US trading session and tested 91. And people have seen that it's a really good buy point in wartime. It can be just go higher and bought, and from this level it has been sold again and then reached here. And now with the low level of that one and the expectation of more sanction on gas and oil companies, may trigger some shortages, so it's rising. But $100, I'm not expecting that one closely, because Russia said something important. We won't damage our own economy and world economy. We won't make any cut on natural and gas and oil. He said like this. We will just see. They will keep their promises or will not. But right now, people are just seeing this point as a good buy point. Even RSI is just showing us that it's on a buy point right now. Alright, thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news on Monday. We will cover more news. Have a nice and safe weekend. And we pray for that people on both sides, Russia and Ukraine, because they are just losing their lives. I'm not supporting Russia on this attack, but I'm just sorry about the losses of that innocent or kind of soldiers, because they have to all do what they are ordered. Have a nice day. Bye.